all one. Today we will see ophthalmology, open globe trauma. Open globe trauma, globe rupture, full thickness wound of eyeball involving sclera, cornea or both, caused by blunt trauma. It may occur in two ways, direct rupture at the site of injury and indirect rupture because of compression force. At its weakest part, that is 3 mm away and concentrated to limbus in the neighborhood of canal of Schlangen. So, globe rupture, this is a full thickness wound of eyeball involving the wall like sclera and cornea or both, and it's caused by blunt trauma, and it's of two types, direct rupture, then indirect rupture at its weakest part. Okay, so these are the points you should remember in globe rupture. Then the penetrating and perforating injuries, modes of damage include mechanical effects, that is uncomplicated or complicated eyeball wound, intraocular infections may involve purulent uveitis, endophthalmitis and panophthalmitis, traumatic iridocyclitis, then sympathetic ophthalmitis. So these are include under penetrating and perforating injuries. We will see it in detail. Some of the intraocular foreign bodies. Common foreign bodies are the chips of iron and steel, seen in 90% of cases, particles of glass, stone, lead pellets, copper percussion cap, aluminium, plastic, and wood. So these are the common foreign bodies seen in the eye. These are the intraocular foreign bodies. Next, we will see the reactions of the foreign body. Inorganic foreign body, sometimes no reaction, inert substance like glass, some plastic, porcelain, gold, silver, platinum, titanium, and stone. So these are inorganic foreign bodies and there won't be no reaction. Then next type is local irritative reaction leading to encapsulation of the foreign body, occurs with lead, aluminium particles. So it's seen with the lead and aluminium particles. And the third type is the separative reaction. It's excited by pure copper, zinc, nickel, and mercury particles. So this separative reaction we will see in pure copper, zinc, nickel, and mercury particles. So these foreign bodies will cause separative reactions. Next is fourth type is the specific reactions and are produced by iron, copper alloys, and these are most toxic. So iron and copper alloys are the most toxic and they will cause specific reactions. Next we will see the Siderosis bulbi. It refers to degenerative changes produced by an iron foreign body. So one of the foreign bodies is iron, it can cause some degenerative changes. And this usually occur after 6 months to 2 years of injury. So after this 6 months to 2 years after injury, these problems develop. The iron particles undergoes electrolytic dissociation by current of rust and its ions are disseminated throughout the eye. These ions combine with intracellular proteins and produce degenerative changes. In this process, the epithelial structure of the eye are most affected. So the epithelial surface of the eye will be affected in Siderosis bulbi. Next is the sympathetic ophthalmitis, and it's a serious bilateral granulomatous uveitis which follows a penetrating ocular trauma. So it occurs after a penetrating ocular trauma. The injured eye is called exciting eye, and the fellow normal eye which also develops uveitis is called sympathizing eye. So where the injury occurred, that eye will be affected. Along with that, the normal eye which is not having any injury, that also will be affected. Okay, so that is why sympathizing eye is called. Sympathizing eye is the sound eye, and it's usually involved after 4 to 8 weeks of injury in the other eye. So actual injury happens to one eye. After that, 4 to 8 weeks after that, the other normal eye also will be affected and will develop pancreatitis. So this is the sympathetic ophthalmitis. So common site of fracture of globe are the limbus, the equator, and especially under the rectus muscle where the sclera is the thinnest. So under the rectus muscle, the sclera is the thinnest. The foreign bodies are the most common cause of eye injury. So the injury occurs mostly because of these foreign bodies. That's all about the injuries of the eye. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.